use the chat box. Right. So in today's session, we are going to discuss abstract reasoning because yesterday in the last session we have discussed critical reasoning, and in today's session we'll be discussing abstract reasoning. As you aware, and yesterday also we have discussed that in aptitude Accenture exam, we have 17 to 18 questions from abstract reasoning and 17 to 18 questions from critical reasoning as well, which we have discussed in last session. And from English, you will get 15 questions, right? So altogether 50 questions, 50 minutes is the duration. By the way, what is abstract reasoning? For most of you, this may sound to be an interesting name because you don't get to see this often. But abstract reasoning is actually a combination of these topics. Number series, you will be given with a series of numbers, one missing number or next number in the series, letter series, series of alphabets, you have to find the next one, coding, decoding, analogy, that means relation based, odd man out, one is different from others, figure series, you will be given with a series of figures which follow a particular property, then you have to find the next one, and then mirror images of objects, water images of objects, at the same time mirror images and water images of clock as well. So these are the major areas which Accenture has focused as a part of abstract reasoning section. So in today's session, we'll be discussing a few questions which are asked recently in Accenture exam. So shall we start? If everything is fine, if someone tell me go ahead, then I'll start with the questions. Audio, video, everything is fine. Right. Thank you. Thanks for your confirmation. And here is the first question from coding and decoding. Yes. In a certain code language, Vortex is this one and Zenith is this. Then what is the code for letter? Gayatri has already responded. Yes. So this is quite a straightforward question. If you see here, V is 22, T is 20, so minus 2. O is 15, M is 13, so minus 2. R is 18, P is 16, so minus 2. T 20, remember, first half only minus 2, second half minus 3, minus 3. This is minus 3, again minus 3, again minus 3. You cannot come to conclusion just based on first few letters. Always, though it may take some 5-10 seconds extra, make sure that you check the logic till the end of the word. Because here if you see first 3 are minus 2 but last 3 are minus 3. Right? So if I apply the same thing for letter, first minus 2, L minus 2 J, E minus 2 C, T minus 2 R, next minus 3, T minus 3 Q, E minus 2 minus 3 B, R minus 3 O. So J C R Q B O. Right? So therefore it is option D. It's not C. Those who check only first 3 and come to a conclusion minus 2 throughout, you will get option C, but that is not the correct answer. Here first 3 minus 2, last 3 minus 3. Am I right? You agree? If any of you have issue with the explanation solution, let me know. So here answer is option 4. Yes. Easy question, but in that hurry burry while writing the exam, there is a chance to pick up wrong option, but answer is fourth option. Next question, and this is from number series of numbers given, you are asked to find the next number in the series. Many of you have responded. Right. So difference between first two numbers 20 and then 40 and then again 20 and then 40. So it's alternate 20, 40, 20, 40. Next should be 20. So 215 plus 20 is 235. Option A. Quite a straightforward and simple question. So answer option A. Right. Let's move to the next one. Lucky to get these kind of questions. Yes, you're all right. All those who responded with option A, absolutely right. And here is the next question from calendars. Surprisingly, there was only one question given from calendars. So, surprise in the sense, actually, this is not part of abstract reasoning, but yes, sometimes you may get some questions which are not related to the topic. But anyway, as calendars is also part of reasoning, you can try this. Here is the question. In 2022, August 15th is given as Monday. Then in 2024, in the month of August, after 15th, immediately when on which day you will get Monday. Question is little tricky, but not a difficult one. So first of all, let us find what is 2024 August 15th. We are given with 2022 August 15th. We are asked to find 2024 August 15th. Okay. So first of all, from 2022 to 2024, it's a gap of 2 years. In this gap of 2 years, there is one leap year and one non-leap year. Each leap year 2 odd days, so into two. Each non-leap year 1 odd day, so total 3 odd days. So as 2022 to 2024 is a forward journey, I should add these 3 odd days. So it's going to be Monday plus 3, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that means 2024 August 15th is Thursday. If August 15th is Thursday, then after how many days you will get Monday immediately after 15th August? 16th August is going to be Friday, 17th August is Saturday, 18th August is Sunday, 19th August is going to be Monday. So after 15th August, the next Monday is on 19th of August. So answer option 4. It's not 18, it is 19. Right? If any of you have question, let me know. Otherwise, we'll move to the next question. Is this clear? So, according to the information, we got 2024 August 15th as Thursday. So, immediately after Thursday, you will get Monday after 4 days. So, August 15th plus 4 is 19. Right. So, it's tomorrow. Yeah. Shashikiran is saying it's tomorrow. Okay. Yes. And Sandeep is asking me to repeat. See, Sandeep, first of all, they have given 2022 August 15th, which is Monday. It's given. Let us find 2024 August 15th. We are so lucky that here month date is same. We just want after 2 years, exactly after 2 years. So I have to travel a 2 years forward journey. When I'm traveling a journey of 2 years forward journey, I'll be crossing one leap year, which is 2024, and one non-leap year, which is 2023. In this gap of 2 years, there is one leap year, one non-leap year. Each leap year has 2 odd days, so 1 into 2, 2, and each non-leap year has 1 odd day, so 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So that means from 2022 to 2024, there are 3 odd days. 3 odd days. So as it is a forward journey, I should add 3. If it is a backward journey, we will subtract. So forward journey, we add. So Monday plus 3, Thursday. So 15th August is Thursday. Then you're asked to find when do you get Monday after 15th August. After Thursday, 4 days after Thursday, we'll get Monday, because Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday after 4 days. So 15 plus 4 is 19. Okay. Yes, I mean, if you have no idea about these odd days concept, then it is difficult to understand the solution. Better you watch my videos, which I've explained on calendars, to learn the topic, and then you will be able to understand these odd days concept. Right. Here is the next question from blood relations. This question is from blood relations. Okay, Sandeep. Okay. So obviously it's a time consuming question, especially if you want to answer the question in 1 minute. It's not easy because you have to go by options. Right. First option, Q minus N. That means Q is the brother of N. If Q is the brother of N, Q is a male and he is the brother of N. And next, N plus M plus is mother. N is the mother of M. So being a mother, N is female, right? And N is mother, right? And then M star P, M is the sister of P. M is the sister of P, being a sister female. So here for P, P is the maternal uncle of Q. Actually, if P has to be the maternal uncle of Q, P should be above Q, because maternal uncle is previous generation if for Q. So therefore here Q is above, P is below. So it can't be true. Here Q is maternal uncle of P. Right, here Q is maternal uncle of P, but we want P should be the maternal uncle of Q. So first option is eliminated. Right. Next, second option, P plus S. So P is the mother of S, being a mother female. Right. P is the mother of S, so female. And the next, S star N. S is the sister of N, being a sister female. And N star N minus Q, minus is brother. N is the brother of Q. Right. So here P is the mother of N, not maternal uncle, mother of N. First of all, P being a female can't be mother, maternal uncle. So second option also eliminated. We eliminated second option as well. Next, third, P minus M. P is the brother of M. So being a brother male, and P is the brother of M. Next, M plus N. In the sense, M is the mother of N. So being a mother female. Now N star Q, that means N is the sister of Q. N is the sister, right? So for N and Q, M is mother. Mother's brother is obviously maternal uncle. So P is the maternal uncle of Q. P is the maternal uncle of N also. So third option is absolutely true. Takes time, but yes, this is how you can answer the question. Right. So here third option is the right expression what we want, where if P has to be the maternal uncle of Q. Next question, again from coding and decoding. Right, here is the answer. In reaction, R is actually 18. Then in this 18, 1 plus 8 is 9. So R is replaced by 9. E is 5. Since it is a single digit, so 5 is taken as it is. A is 1 as it is. C is 3 as it is. T 20 and 2 plus 0 2, so replaced by 2. I is 9 as it is. O is 15, 1 plus 5 6. And N is 14, 1 plus 4 5. So all the letters with two digit position numbers are replaced by adding the digits. So if I apply the same thing, tracker 20, so 2 plus 0 2, R 18, 1 plus 8 9, A 1, C 3, K 11, 1 plus 1 2, E 5, R 18, 1 plus 8 9. So 291 3 2 5 9, 291 3 2 5 9. So answer option B. Yes, most of you said absolutely right. Answer option B. If any of you need repetition, let me know. Otherwise, we'll move to the next question. Here, in the word, if the letter has a two-digit position number, the digits are added to code it. Yes. Next question. Next one. This is from dice. In the following figure, these are the three different views of the dice. Using these, find out what is opposite to the face which is opposite to the face with 2. Which number is opposite to 2? Right. So I think for all of you, I have covered dice cubes and dice concept while I was conducting sessions in your college. So here is the answer. So how do we answer these? In the first two views, a digit called 4 is common. So we take that common digit and we write the remaining numbers in clockwise direction. So if I take the first dice 4 with the remaining in clockwise direction 2, 6. Here also we start with the same 4 and remaining in clockwise direction 1, 3. So now 2 and 1 opposite, 3 and 6 opposite. What is missing here? 5, and that 5 and 4 opposite. So here we are asked to find opposite to 2, 1. So answer is option D. Opposite to 2 is 1. Is this clear? Yes. If any of you need explanation, repetition, let me know. Otherwise, we'll move to the next question. So to answer these dice questions, what we have to do, you have to select two views where one digit is common. Any two views. I'm repeating, Chetan. In the first dice and in the second dice, there is one digit which is common. So we take that common digit and we write the remaining in clockwise direction. So if I take 4, what is the remaining in clockwise direction? 4, 2, 6. 4, 2, 6. Here also 4 is common and with that we write the remaining in clockwise direction. 3, 1. So after writing in this way, sorry, 4, 1, 3, I'm sorry, clockwise direction, 4, 1, 3. So 2 and 1 opposite, 6 and 3 opposite. Here which number is missing? You have 1, 2, 3, 6. 5 is missing. So that 5 and 4 opposite. So these two are opposite, these two are opposite, and 4, 5 opposite. We are asked to find opposite to 2, so it is 1. Whereas opposite to 3, 6. Opposite to 4, 5. Right? You can do with right. Sir, what if take 6? Yes. What if we take 3 as common? You mean if 1 is on top of 2, then 3 can't be adjacent to 6. If 1 is on top of 2, If that is the case, then let's say if I take 1 and 3, in both 6 is common, right? Then you will get opposite to 6 as 1, right? Okay. So 6, 4, 2, 6, 5, 3. Then we'll get 2, 3 opposite, 4, 5 opposite, 1, 6 opposite. Hmm. If I take 2 and 3, what we are getting if I take 2 and 3? If I take 2 and 3, 3 is common. So 3, 4, 1. Here also 3 is common. 6, 5, uh, 3, 6, 5. Then I am getting 1 and 5 opposite, 4 and 6 opposite, 2 and 3 opposite. I think these are not possible. I mean, seems question is incorrect because I don't think these are the possible views of the cube. Because if these are the possible views of the cube, we are getting different answers for different questions. So that's what, when I take 1 and 2, I'm getting one answer. When I take 2 and 3, first view, second view, when I take, then what is opposite to 2? We are getting 1, right? When I take 2 and 3 views, I'm getting a different answer. When I take 1 and 3, I'm getting a different answer. Seems the question is incorrect. Or maybe I am wrong, I'm not sure. Okay. So we'll exclude this question. Hmm. Yogesh, Satish is saying, sir, for a cube, you can't look opposite side. In the sense, what do you mean by 3 key common in both times? Hmm. Okay, we'll come back to this question. I'll find out. I'll check this question again, and I'll post the solution in my Telegram channel. If at all, if I find the solution, I'll post it in my Telegram channel. For the time being, let's move to the next one. Okay, here is the next question. Right. So here is the next one. This is actually from letter series. You are given with series of letters, and you are asked to find the next one in the series. Yes. So if you see here, y is 25. I think you have to go for alternates here. Y is 25, U is 21, Q is 17. So it's like -4, -4. But as we are going for alternate, here also I should go for this alternate, right? So A is 1, D is 4 plus 3. Next 4 plus 3, 7. So G. Our answer should start with G, and there is only one option which is starting with G. So answer option B. The first letter should be G. I repeat, here I am going for alternate y25, u21, q17. So it's -4, -4. Whereas here a1, d4, so +3. Next it should be +3. 4 plus 3, 7, g. And there is only one option with g as the first letter. So answer option B. Quite an easy question. And here is the next one. This is from number series. You are given with series of numbers. What is the next number in the series? Yes. So 70, 180, 300, 430, 570. You're asked to find the next number. So here difference is 110. Next difference 120, 130, 140. It should be 150. 570 plus 150, 720, right? So it is option B again. Quite an easy number series question. The differences are gradually increasing by 10, 10, 10, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Yes. Next question from coding and decoding. All these are July, August Accenture questions asked in different colleges when they have conducted the recruitment drive. Here is the next question on the screen. This is also quite easy question. Fossil FO has become OF, SS reverse SS, IL reverse LI. So two letters got reversed. If I apply the same thing for planet, LP, NA and TE. LP, NA, TE. LP, NA, TE. Option B again the answer. Right? What is the code for planet? So two letters interchange. Option B. Quite again easy, simple question. Next one. So it seems in abstract reasoning you can save a lot of time. So whatever the time you are saving in abstract reasoning, you can use that in critical reasoning, because critical reasoning questions are little lengthy and time consuming. Because in critical reasoning seating arrangement questions, most of the questions are taking 2 to 3 minutes, 2 minutes to 3 minutes time, whereas abstract reasoning questions are taking just 20 to 30 seconds. So spend less time for abstract reasoning questions, and that saved time you can use for critical reasoning questions. Okay, here is the next one. Toy, boy, joy, noi is the rain falls gently, whereas goy, joy, noi, boy, boy is the dew gently falls overnight. So you're asked to find the code for rain. So these are called comparison coding questions. You have to compare. So the rain falls gently, the dew gently falls overnight. What are common? You have the common in both, rain not common, falls common in both, gently common in both. Right? So rain is the one which is not common. This is not common, right? So uncommon, what is uncommon in these two? Toy here, not common, but boy is common in both. Joy is common in both. No is also common in both. So the one which is not common is toy. So rain is toy. Option A is the answer. Yes, you're right. Easy one, right? Shall we move to the next one? The uncommon word is rain. The uncommon code is toy. So answer option A. Yes. Next question. Again from number series. You are given a series of numbers and you are asked to find the next number which replaces the question mark in the series. Right. So here also if you go for alternate numbers, 1, 10, so plus 9, 10, 19 plus 9, 19, 28 plus 9. Now 28 plus 9, 37. So this is option C. Let me tell you, always whenever you see more numbers in the series, with zigzag property like increasing, decreasing, whenever you see more numbers and increasing, decreasing zigzag pattern, then always you go for alternate numbers. If you go for alternate numbers, then you will get the logic here. So alternate numbers are differ by 999. Therefore, next number is 37 in the series. Yes. Okay. Yes. Next question. Again, number series question. What is the next number in the series? As I said just now, when you see more numbers in the series, go for alternate. Check alternate numbers. Whenever there are more numbers given in the series, check alternate numbers than consecutive numbers. Right. So here 2, 4 into 2 into 2 into 2. But we don't want this alternate. We want this alternate series into 4 into 4 now into 4. 4 into 4 16. 16 into 4 64. Now 64 into 4 256. So therefore the next number in the series is 256. Right. Easy question. Next one on the screen. Yes. This is from coding decoding. Right. So here in Mars, if I add M13, A1, R18, S19, on adding all of them, I'm getting 51. On adding all these numbers, 51. Similarly, Venus V22, E5, N14, U21, S19, on adding all these 40, 54, 59, 61, 81. That's what given here. So Apple A1, P16, P16, L12, E5 on adding 17, 33, 30, 50, 39, 49, 50. So answer option D. It's just adding all the letters in the word to get the code. Another straightforward question. So if I add all the letters of the word apple, I'm getting 50. Next question. Again from coding decoding. Yes. So here in super, S is 19, U is 21, P16, E5, R18. They are replaced by H8, F6, K11, V22, I9. If you observe them closely, sum of the letter in the word and the letter in the code consecutive, if you add 27, you are getting 19 plus 8, 27, 21 plus 6, 27, 16 plus 11, 27, 5 plus 22, 27, 18 plus 9, 27. So these are called pairs in English language. If sum of two letters is 27, they are called pairs. So T is 20. So how much I should add to 20 to get 27? 7, which is G. O 15, I should add 12 to get 27, which is L. P 16, I should add 11 to get 27, so K. Next P 16, again I should add 11, so K. Next E 5, I should add 22, V. GLKKV, GLKKV is C. So answer option C. Right? Here, sum of the numbers of the letter in the word and the letter in the code is 27. Okay? Yes. Next question from number series. You are given a series of numbers and you are asked to find the next number in the series. What is the next number in the series? Which number comes next in the series? So 1, 3, 15, 45, 101, 191. What is the next number? So your difference is plus 2, plus 12, plus 30, plus 56, plus 90. So these are not in any pattern. Then I will go for second differences. Second difference plus 10, plus 18, plus 26, plus 34. Now second differences are differ by 8, 8. If you see, second differences are differ by plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. Now next should be plus 8. What is 34 plus 8? 42. So what is now 90 plus 42? 132. Now what is 132 plus 191? 191 plus 132 is 323. Option 2 is the answer. Yes. So all those who got option 2, you're right. Venkata Praneeth, Bhargav Sai, Manikanta, Deva Shiva Naga Sai. You guys are absolutely right. So quite a rare question where you have to find the second differences to find the logic here, because first differences are not in any property. Second differences are in property. Okay. Is this clear? Right. Let's move to the next question. What is the water image of the figure given in the question? You're asked to find the water image. Yes, those who already know the concept, I appreciate. You can answer. Water image, in case of water image, if this is left, this is right, and this is top, this is bottom. In case of water image, left right remains the same, top bottom gets inverted. Top becomes bottom, bottom becomes top. So top bottom get interchanged, left right remains same. So here these arrows are on the top, so that should get in the bottom, but as this is on the right hand side, it should be on the right hand side only. So therefore, without any hesitation, I can eliminate A, because there are three arrows here, I mean three arrow marks here, but there are only two in first option. So therefore, for A eliminated, B, yes, true. And there is no other option which is close to the answer. So obviously, without any hesitation, I can say that B is the water image, because this is on the top in the actual image. So in water, it should be at the bottom. As this is on the left hand side, this should be on the left hand side only, but in the bottom. So B is satisfying. B is the correct view. Is this clear? Yes. It's not D, because in D there are only two arrows here, but there are three here. Okay. Next question. What is the mirror image of this word? If I place the mirror here, if I place the mirror here, what is the mirror image of this word? Vikramaditya, yeah, I'll repeat. He's asking me to repeat the concept. Let me tell you, we have two things, mirror image, water image. When it comes to water image, this is left, this is right, this is top, this is bottom. Water image of this figure is, water image of this figure is, left right remains same, but top bottom gets interchanged. So top becomes bottom, bottom becomes top. ఈ టీబీ ఉన్నాయి కదా, టాప్ బాటమ్ ఇవి ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అయిపోతాయి. టాప్ కిందికి వస్తుంది, బాటమ్ పైకి వస్తుంది. బట్ లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ రిమైన్ సేమ్. ఇదేంటి వాటర్లో. బట్ వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు మిర్రర్, ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ మిర్రర్ ఏమైపోతుంది, లెట్స్ సే ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ టాప్ బాటమ్. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ మిర్రర్, లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ గెట్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్, టాప్ బాటమ్ రిమైన్ సేమ్. టాప్ ఏ ఉంటుంది, బాటమ్ ఉంటుంది, బాటమ్. లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్, లెఫ్ట్ బికమ్స్ రైట్, రైట్ బికమ్స్ లెఫ్ట్. దిస్ ఇస్ mirror image. Okay, in mirror, left appears to be right, right appears to be left. In water, top appears to be bottom, bottom appears to be top. Is this clear? Okay, now you are asked to find the mirror image for this object. So 5 is at the left, it should be on the right. In all the options, it is on the right only. 4, fine. I think C eliminate, because 4 has become inverted 4. In the mirror, it doesn't become inverted. So C eliminated, right? And now A, fine, 5, 7, B, D, E, 4, right? So A also eliminated, because 7 has become inverted. 7 has become inverted. వాటర్లో ఇన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది కానీ మిర్రర్లో అవ్వదు కదా. సో ఏ ఎలిమినేట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ 7, సి ఎలిమినేటెడ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ 4. Okay, now it can be B or D. Again, B eliminated because 7 is as it is. If you see, 7 is as it is, it can't be as it is, right? Left to right interchange, right? So therefore answer D. Yeah, Harika, we'll be discussing mirror image of analog clocks also in this session. You just wait for 2 minutes. We'll be getting those kind of questions also. Just wait and listen. Okay. Right. So here answer is D. I hope it is clear. We eliminated A, B, C. D is satisfying all the conditions. Yes. Is this clear? Right. Next question. You are asked to find the water image of the question figure among options 1, 2, 3, 4, which is correct. You are asked to find the water image. Right. So as we discussed just now, in case of water, left to right remains same, top bottom interchange. So water image is left right remains same, top bottom interchange. So square is in the top, that will be at the bottom, and the options are so ridiculous that in one at the bottom square has to be there, it is not there. In two also shaded square has to be there, it is not there. Three eliminate, so obviously four. Quite a simple and straightforward question. Okay, square is at the top, in the water it should be at the bottom, and there is only one option in which square is at the bottom, so that is four. Right, next question. Find the odd word among the given options. I don't know whether this is from verbal ability section or abstract reasoning, but I found this question in one of the exams from Accenture, slots. So among the four words, there is one word which is different from others. You have to find that. What is that? Oh, is it so? Zeal. Why it is zeal? I mean, you're going by all start with A, zeal start with Z. Is that the logic? I don't think so. Is that the logic you're applying? I think if you go by the meanings, apathy is different, rest all same. Alacrity, zeal, order, all these are with some energy, excitement, zeal and ade kada, energy, excitement, all that. But when it comes to apathy, apathy is calm, cool, silent kind of thing. So I feel apathy is different from others. You can't say A, B, D are starting with vowel A, rest is no, that can't be the one. You have to go by the meaning of the words. Alacrity, zeal, order gives the same meaning, whereas apathy is different. It is quite opposite to them. Apathy is opposite to them. Okay, right. But apathy is the answer. But I don't know whether this is part of abstract reasoning or verbal ability, but yes. Here is the next question from coding and decoding. Guru Charan is saying, sir, please share yesterday and today's notes. Notes in the sense, I mean, I can share only this PPT. I don't have any notes. I can just share this PPT. In fact, I have already uploaded yesterday's session in my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can watch it again. You can take the screenshots of the questions. Yes. Okay, sure. I'll share that. Yes. Right. By the way, interestingly, fine is a four-letter word, but in the code there are many, right? It's a four-letter word, but in the code there are many. So P, a letter before P is O, a letter before P is Q. So P is coded with a letter before and letter after. I, letter before H, letter after I, J. So I is coded with HJ. The letters before N are M and O, before and after. The letters before and after E is D and F. So if I apply the same thing, Z before Y, Z after A, E before D, E after F, T before S, T after U, A before Z, A after B. So YA, DF, SU, ZB, option, last option is the answer. Option D, yes, fourth option. Here, every letter in the code is coded by a letter before it, a letter after it. Okay, understood? Right. Next question. So in the figure given in the question, there is one question mark. So which figure from the options replaces the question mark? So here, okay. So here is the answer. Yes. Now, if you see in the first box, X is here, right? It is shifted to 1, 2, 3, 4 places in clockwise direction, right? Here you just have to give what you call numbers, right? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the one which is in sixth place has moved to second place. So shifted to 4 places in clockwise direction. X has come here. And then one place anti-clockwise direction. After this, one place anti-clockwise direction. So here also the star mark which is here is shifted to 4 places in the next figure, 4 places in clockwise direction, and then again one place anti-clockwise direction. Same here is equal to here, right? It is shifted to 4 places in clockwise direction, and then it has come here, right? And then one place to anti-clockwise direction, so it should be here. So therefore, based on that, fourth of third, this is fourth, fifth eliminate. So answer can be 1 or 2 or 3. Again, in those three, yes, if I go by this one, square, right? See, this is, I mean, the one we here which is shifted to 4 place in clockwise and then one place in anti-clockwise direction. So square 4 place in clockwise, one place. So square should be here. Square should be here. So now it should be 1, 2, 3. So all are eliminated. Right. So in 1, 3, all of them, it is in the same center is not repeated. Then it's yes, sir. Center is not repeated. Exactly. Yes. Yes. So here, if you see in center, suddenly there is a new element, right? So I think it should be center in B. The shaded portion got repeated, so B is eliminated, right? Triangle also got repeated, so B is eliminated. Then A is the answer. Yes, center is unique, exactly. So in all the figures, center is unique in all the figures. Center is unique, different. So based on that logic, then you can go by first option. Because in B, center repeated, in C also center repeated. So therefore answer first option. Yes. Thanks for helping me. You guys actually made the question easy because I was actually searching for all those other logics, but yes, you caught the right one. Yes. Next question. Vishnu Priya asking me to repeat. Yes, Vishnu Priya, here if you look at the center figure in everything, they are unique. It's not same. Repeat కాలేదు. ఇక్కడున్న సెంటర్ ఫిగర్, ఇక్కడున్న సెంటర్ ఫిగర్, ఇక్కడున్న సెంటర్ ఫిగర్ సేమ్ కాదు. సో అట్లనే ఇక్కడ కే, ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్, ఇక్కడ జే ఉంది. అంటే ఆల్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్. హియర్ ట్రయాంగిల్, షేడెడ్. సో ఇప్పుడు కూడా డిఫరెంట్ ఉండాలి. అంటే ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉండొద్దు, షేడెడ్ ఉండొద్దు. ఇక్కడ షేడెడ్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉంది. మళ్ళీ రైట్, ఇవి ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఎలిమినేట్ చేసాం వేరే ఇందాక ఒక లాజిక్తో. సో ఆన్సర్ ఏ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్. ఈ స్క్వేర్ పొజిషన్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఇవి ఎలిమినేట్ చేసాం ఆల్రెడీ. ఓకే, సో ఏ. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ Vishnupriya. Fine. Otherwise, you can watch the video again after the class. Anyway, I'll be uploading this video in my YouTube channel. You can watch it. Here is the next question. Right. A clock which is showing 6:18 appears to be what in the water? What is the water image of this? So here is by the way, the logic or the concept is actual time plus mirror time is 11:60 or 12 o'clock, whereas actual time plus water time is 1790 or 1830. Right, this is the property. So as 6 hours 18 minutes is given and we want water image, so I should subtract that from 1830. I should subtract from 1830 minus 618. So answer is 12, 12. 12 minutes past 12, option B, second option is the answer. Okay, so just note down this. Actual image, actual time plus mirror time should be 1160 or 12, whereas actual time plus water time is 1790 or 1830. So since we want water image, I have subtracted this 1830, 618 from this 1830. We got 12, 12. So 12 hours, 12 minutes. Okay. Yes, you just have to, Sandhya is asking me to repeat. You just have to follow this concept. In case of actual time and mirror time, this is, some of them should be 12. In case of actual time and water time, some of them should be 1830 or 1790. When do we subtract from 1790? If minutes are greater than 30, right, we subtract from 1790. If minutes are less than 30, we subtract from 1830, right? So here 618, that means minutes are less than 30. 18 is less than 30, right? So therefore I should subtract from 1830. Suppose if the question is given as 740, 740. So in 740, 40 minutes greater than 30, right? So I should subtract from 1790. So for this answer is 1790 minus 740, which is 1050. So for 740 answer is 1050, because for 740 I should subtract from 1790. Why I have selected 1790 here? Because the minutes in the given question is greater than 30. Is this clear, Lokesh? When to subtract from 1790, when to subtract from 1830? Clear? Okay. Yes. Right. Next question. Yes. Yes. For empty, for mirror time also same concept. You're right, Vikramaditya. For mirror also same. Next question, you have to find the odd man out from the given numbers. There is one different from others. You just have to find the different one. Right. So this is little tricky. I'm impressed that most of you are responding quite quickly. So 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. 36 is 3 into 3 into 4. 80 is 4 into 4 into 5. 140. Actually, next should be 5 into 5 into 6, which should be 150. After that, 6 into 6 into 7, 250 to correct. After that, 7 into 7 into 8, 390 to correct. But here it is 5 into 5 into 6 should be 150, but it is given as 140. So 140 is the odd man out in the given series. Rest all numbers are in a particular property, but not 140. So therefore, that is the answer. Right. Is this clear? Yes. Next question from coding decoding. Do we have any other approach? If you have, you can tell me. I mean, this is what I found Shivanagasai. I mean, if you try, you may get other property also. Okay, right. So if fire is this, book is this, then what is the code for time? Seems to be easy. F6 has become E5, so -1. I9 has become G7, so -2. R18 has become O15, so -3. E5 has become A1, so -4. So it's -1, -2, -3, -4. If I apply the same thing for time, so first -1 S, -2 G, -3 J, -4 A. SG, JA. Option C is the correct one. Right. So the logic is -1, -2, -3, -4 consecutively. Right. Next question on the screen. Right. So here, if I add the numbers 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 10, 26. In 26, 2 plus 6 is 8. Here, 9 plus 11, 20, 30, 20 plus 30, 50. In 50, 5 plus 0, 5. 11 plus 17, 28. 28 plus 21, 49. In 49, 4 plus 9, 13. Now 23 plus 4, 27 plus 15, 42. In 42, 4 plus 2, 6. So answer 6. Simply the numbers are added and in the result the digits are added. Okay, this is also kind of coding and decoding. Yes, right. We are heading towards the end of the session. I think there are another 2-3 questions to conclude. As I said, abstract reasoning is more of number series, letter series, coding, decoding, figure series, mirror images, water images, all that. I think we have 2 or 3 questions to answer. Shivanagasai asking me to repeat the previous one. Okay, Shivanagasai, here we are just adding the numbers. On adding, we are getting a particular result. In that, adding the digits is giving us the code. 7 plus 9 plus 10, 26. 2 plus 6, 8. 9 plus 11 plus 30, 50. 5 plus 0, 5. So similarly, on adding all these 49, 4 plus 9, 13. Now in this, what we require, adding all the numbers is 42. So 4 plus 2, 6. Right. Next question from coding decoding. Yes. So I think here this is again little tricky where you have to code the word geese by comparing. By comparing. So geese G is in leasing G, which is 4. So G is 4. Geese E is in house, which is 0. E is 0. Geese A is in leasing A, which is 6. A is 6. Right? Geese S is in house S, which is 1. Right? Geese E is in house E, which is 0. So answer 40610. 40610, first option. Yes, first option. 40610, first option. Right. Quite a simple question. It is comparison coding. Yes. Next one. Next question. Actually, this is not part of abstract reasoning, but still, I mean, this question is asked. This is there in one of the slots, Accenture slots exam. So there is nothing wrong in trying this, practicing this. If x67y is exactly divisible by 9, what is the least value of x plus y? Right. So when do we say a number is divisible by 9? If sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Sum of the digits x plus y plus 6 plus 7. This is x plus y plus 13. If this has to be multiple of 9, what is the nearest multiple of 9 to 13? 18. So to get 18, x plus y must be 5. So x plus y should be 5. Option C. Is that clear? Because if x plus y is 5, then you will get a total of 18, which is divisible by 9. Right. Simple question. Okay. Next one. Find the missing number in the series. What is the next number in the series? Sorry, not next number. Next series of letters. Right. So here also, if you go for alternate, N14, W23, so plus 9. And then F is treated as 6 as well as 32. So again plus 9. Plus 9, plus 9. But we don't want this. We have to go for this series, right? Because if you go for this, then you will get next alternate. Here F is 6, O is 15. 6, 15, so plus 9. Now 15 plus 9 should be 24. 24 is x, and so B eliminated. It can be A or C or D. Next second letter H 8, and then O 17, so plus 9. Next 17 plus 9 26, which is Z, right? It should be Z, X Z. So it is A or D because C also eliminated. Now K11 T21 plus 9, 21 plus 9, 31, 31 is 5, which is E. So answer D, right? It's not A, D. Is it A or D? A? Why so? I mean, this is 20, so sorry, 9, right? 9, not 11, I'm sorry, 9. So yes, yes, yes. It should be first option, right? Yes, you can go by plus 2 plus 3 also, or otherwise every letter is added by plus 9 to get the alternate. Yes, so answer first option. Okay, next one. What is the next number in the series? In the series of numbers, there is one number missing. Find the next number in the series. As I said, when there are too many numbers, go for alternates. Yes, so if I go for alternate, 1, 3, that is 1 is 3 power 0, 3 is 3 power 1, 9 is 3 square, 27 is 3 cube. Next should be 3 power 4, which is 81. Right? Alternate numbers are 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. So it should be 81, first option. Right. Yes. Next question. Right. So you have to find what comes in place of the question mark. These are again figure series questions. In place of question mark, which figure from the options replaces the question mark? Right. So here, if I see the position of this circle, it is shifted to one place in clockwise direction, and then again two places in clockwise direction. One place, two place, plus one, plus two in clockwise direction. The position, right? Plus one, plus two, right? Whereas here, triangle is shaded, or else any other logic here. Triangle is shaded, plane, shaded, plane, shaded, plane, shaded, plane. No, next should be shaded triangle. So obviously B's D, E eliminated, can be A or B, right? So now between A and B, how I eliminated B, D, E? Because triangle should be shaded. It's like alternate shaded. So here it is shaded, next plane, next shaded, plane, shaded, plane, shaded, plane, next should be shaded, alternate, right? So based on that, I eliminated three options. Next, position of the triangle. If you go by the position of the triangle, triangle is shifted to one, two, three places in clockwise direction. Triangle is shifted to three places in clockwise direction, and in both of them, triangle is in the same place, right? So I don't think that logic will help me to eliminate. So I have to go by this one, circle, right? So plus one, plus two. +1 in clockwise direction, +2 in clockwise direction. So here +1 in clockwise direction, +2. So if I apply the same thing, +1, and then next +2, I think I'll get, yes, A is the first option. Yes, answer first option. Right, answer first option, right? The shaded one is shifting +1, +2, +1, +2. So +1, this one +1 comes to here, next +2 comes to here. So I think option A is the correct. Right, yes. Okay, so whatever the logic, you say answer is A, right? First option, right? Okay, next question. I mean, I'm skipping these simple number series questions. I mean, you can answer them anyway when I share this document with you. If there are any interesting question, yes. Okay, what is your answer for this? Find the odd man out among the given numbers. What is the odd one out in the given? In every option, you are given with a group of numbers. In one option, the numbers are different from others. Right. Yes, here is the answer. In 41, I mean, in the first option, this is prime, this is prime, this is also prime. All three are prime. In second option, only 61 is prime. And in the third option, 13 is prime, remaining non-prime numbers. In D, 89 is prime, remaining are non-prime numbers. So in B, C, D, only one prime, two non-primes, but in A, all are prime. So therefore, A is odd man out. In B, C, D, there is only one prime number in the group of numbers, but in A, all three are prime numbers. So that is the odd man out. Okay, right. Next question. Yeah, that's all about these questions. Abstract reasoning. These are the questions which I've gathered from a recent exam. Okay, so thank you for joining. I hope these two sessions will help you and practice a lot. One important thing I would like to tell you that don't bank upon only these questions, because these type of answering these type of questions will give you an idea. It's not that you will get the same questions, you may or may not get, but yes, this is the level of difficulty and this is the pattern of the questions, and these are asked in previous slots. They might be having a huge question bank, so when you take exam in your slot, the questions may different, maybe, right? So therefore, just don't bank up on this. Do practice regularly, and any questions, queries, you can always approach me in my Telegram channel. Okay, thank you so much, and that's all. So if you guys have any questions, queries, let me know. Soon I'll be conducting few live sessions for TCS NQT preparation also, especially for VNR, Gokaras, MG80, and RVRJC students, right? Yes. No negative marking, Sai Pawan, for Accenture. As of now, as far as I know, there is no negative marking. But yes, see, one thing you need to understand, if we have time, we can talk about this. That is, in addition to first round, Accenture has two other rounds. Clearing the first round is not guarantee the job. You have to clear the second round, which is coding. You have to clear the third round, which is communication assessment test. So therefore, there are several rounds. You have to clear all of them, right? So we will not have quants. Yes, exactly. In Accenture test, last year 2023 and this year 2024, there are no quant questions, right? So I'll be sharing verbal questions in my Telegram channel. Yes, I'll be sharing verbal and some other network and cloud computing questions, and as well as pseudo coding questions, MS Office application questions. I've gathered few questions from other sections also, which I cannot teach, but yes, I can share those questions in my Telegram channel. Okay. Yes. Cutoff that varies, Akshaya. We cannot say that varies from college to college. That varies on the day of exam, right? So Telegram channel link. Yes, I'll show you the QR code. You can join the Telegram channel by scanning the QR code. Yes. So there are three QR codes. One is from for my Telegram channel, the other one is for my YouTube channel, and the third one is my LinkedIn page. So you can follow me on these. When are you going to conduct TCS related sessions, sir? I will conduct soon, soon. Yes. But as I said yesterday, I'll be taking two sessions. Is there any section cutoff, sir? Also send coding questions.